Hey, then in this video I'm going to show you how to create custom animations with Gemini AI. This is step-by-step tutorial, so watch to the end to know everything. Now, in order to do it on Gemini, there is two prompts we are going to use here. We are going to use the first prompt in order to create the SVG animation and also preview it there. And the second prompt, we are going to create the NVG animation code and then test it. Here, I will cover it both in Gemini and also in Google AI Studio. And here, the first prompt, here is how to use it. Click here and paste the prompt here. Now here you can see the prompt. Also, you can do some edit in the prompt in order to make it your own suit here. Here it says description here. Now here, describe how you want the animation to be. Here I will type clock. Describe how the animation will be. Also slide until you reach here. Also here it says 500 times here. 500 times 500. This is the aspect ratio you want it to be, but SVG are infinity zoom, which means you can zoom it to any level without having any pixel issue. And here, make any change if you want here. Now after, what you will do here is to zoom back here and then click on tools here. Here select canvas. Now here on the side here it says thinking. Now here click on it. Select the Pro, which is 3.1 Gemini. Here select it, but in case it didn't generate the first time, you might use thinking, but the thinking is not that perfect. Here select the Pro like this. Now here, what you do now is to send it by clicking this icon here and wait for Gemini to do its work. Now here, while it is creating it, let's test the second prompt here on Google AI Studio. Here, like this, open a new tab on your search engine like this here, and then search for Google AI Studio. You can see it here. Now here inside Google AI Studio, now here click here. Now here select playground here, and then select your Gemini 3 here like this, and click on it here. And here, what you do now here is to paste the second prompt here like this, and paste the prompt here. All the prompt is in the description section. Now here on the description on the prompt here, edit it to your own desire or to your own animation you want to create here. Here I'll create sky. Now here, what you do now is to click here, arrow control. But here you can also use this feature in order to add some edit to it here if you want. Now slide down and click on Control R here and wait for Google AI to do its work. Now let's go back to Gemini and know how it have created the animation. It here, open the tab. Here I'm using Chrome to do this step-by-step tutorial. Now here, click here, Gemini. Now here, as you can see, it have created it and then it is previewing it. You can see the clock. You can see the clock. You can also add up what you want to be in that clock, like the time and how the time you want it to be into, or what you want it to do after describing it. You can also copy the code here by clicking on this copy, and also you can download the SVG by clicking on this download here. You can see here it have created perfectly. Now here, let's go back to Google AI Studio and know how it generates the SVG animation code here like this. Open the tab and then go back like this. As you can see, it is still working on it. If you want to create a longer SVG animation code, you might link your API by clicking this here, this icon here, the key icon to link your API code. Now here, it have generated the SVG code. And here, what to do now here, after generating it, what to do now here is to click on copy or download it. Here I'll click on copy. Now here I will use this AI to in order to preview it. You know, it didn't give us the preview here. Now here, open a new tab and type this on the search here, SVG. Yeah, let me type it and then explain. You can see here svgviewer.dev here, and here what you do now is to click on search. Now it will bring us here. What you do now is to, if you are using a mobile device, make sure you set it on desktop mode here. Set it on desktop side. You can see here for you to have the capability to zoom it here. Now here what you do now is to paste the SDV code here like this. Clean this, paste. You can see the animation here, and also you can change something in the animation if you want here. Also you can see it created perfectly here using Google AI Studio. You can see this one. This is the Gemini own. You can see the Gemini own using the Pro. You can see here. You can also edit the prompt if you want by clicking this icon here, dictate, and click on this pencil icon here if you want to edit it. If you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. And if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech theory. Check out the playlist in order to know everything on Google AI Studio. See you there and have a great day.